Life is hard. I bought a new pair of shoes and the other day walked outside into the rain and ended up stepping into the mud. Now it rained. But then I took a step back and come to the conclusion that nothing in life really matters. Before my explanation, I am going to draw Bill Gates and APJ Abdul Kalam because it doesn't matter. So the universe is 4.54 billion years old and we came here probably 300,000 years ago and became conscious that this world seems like so perfect. Whenever we fall in love with anything, we can go outside of the cave and could find anything like food. But now this has been changed so much. But still the basic things to live us alive are the same. Oxygen and water, food, Instagram. We became working together as a species and discovering great things, curious to know much further than we ever existed, making the YouTube videos and TikTok and fighting each other for whatever reason. In 2020, we created something out of nothing, which is time. And name it by seconds, minutes, hours, days, years, and decades. But do you think it really matters? I mean, we have made those things for just our own use. Time is nothing but just a change of an event. The day we call is just how long does it take to Earth spin around Sun, and orbiting Sun in once is called year, and we got 78 Earth revolutions around the Sun. It's the journey called life. After there, nothing is scaled to these things once we pass the human life. Sure, we can judge it by 10,000 years, million, and billions. As much as you understand 13.8 billion years of lifespan of the universe, the scale of human life is nothing has happened yet. And yes, we can make prediction of next 100 years and trillion of years. We can figure out how and when our sun is going to blow up, and we can predict everything, probably upcoming weather, upcoming meteorites, and future. But we have no idea what is going to happen in next fraction of seconds. Billion of years on a multi-trillion year of time scale is truly nothing. To keep it short, our universe is expanding, and there is nothing to new. And a lot of people know this, but many people don't know that this expansion is speeding up, and now we don't know why. The cause is dark energy, and it's the topic of another video. Dark energy is stretching out the galaxies faster than the light of speed, so we couldn't even observe it, those galaxies, because the space is stretching faster than the light that is traveling through it. When we see it or to observe what's around it, we won't see anything. We are going to end up all alone, but in the end of our galaxy will start to go dark, and every other stars one by one, and without anything running, the universe is going bit colder depending on size. Few stars going to turn into white dwarf, neutron stars providing the last glimmer of lights in cold and vast universe. This would be the last hope for any surviving life forms in the universe. But even after trillion of years, these white dwarfs will begin to dim out. All the matter we see today began to fall into the black holes that kept things hold together so long. The Big Bang that created highest temperature ever known in physics ultimately results most dark and cold configuration possible. But even now the universe has just begun with this. Black holes are going to be around, and the galaxies are going to be full of black holes and more black holes. But even those black holes won't last forever. Through the Hawking radiation, these black holes will slowly, very slowly begin to evaporate away, one subatomic particle at a time. And those black holes fade out of existence. There's nothing left in the universe. A universe where they become pointless and nothing will change forever. Ever.